these all charred up. All right, so the Anaheims have been steaming in the pot, and it's time to peel them. Usually I find Anaheims to be difficult to peel, but I'll tell you what, these are just coming off beautifully. That's what you want.
These are my favorites.
Pull the seeds out. Boom, just like that. Actually got to open them up really to get the seeds out, but yeah, those are nice, very nice. Towards the end of the season, another month or so, these will start turning red, and they get this really nice sweet flavor to them.
I like the texture of them. They're a little bit heavier than a poblano, without really any heat to them. They're delicious.
All right, so I'll just keep going, and these will be done soon. All right, so I've got the Anaheims all peeled and seeded, so let's assemble our green chili pesto. So these babies just go in here. That was 8 Anaheims. We're going to use 1 cup of pine nuts, and you could substitute just about any nut you like. I know COVID kind of made a pine nut shortage, so they were getting expensive for a while. So if you need to use a different kind of nut, feel free.
Almonds work good, right? Like flavored almonds.
Mm-hmm. And I have this is a, what do you call it? A bunch of cilantro.
Is that all going to fit in there?
Straight from the farmer.
Wow.
So yeah, let's chop this up a little bit and make some more room.
Yeah, your cilantro's not going anywhere.
No, it's floating on top, which will be all right. We'll get down in there eventually. There we go. That'll be fine. And now we are going to add the zest and juice of 1 lime. I have it's already zested. And I even have it in the juicer, ready to go. Ugh. Boy, these are hard little limes. But that'll be fine. And then you want a lot of garlic, like 8 cloves of garlic, maybe all chopped up. Maybe more, just depends on how much garlic you like. We're not making it for Ramsey.
Yeah, he always fusses about garlic.
And we'll get that all smooth. That's looking pretty good. Oh yeah. So then the next step is we're going to start with about a half a teaspoon of salt, and we'll get to taste this later and add more if we'd like. And then we are going to emulsify some oil. Something we're doing a lot of today. So you add the oil when the machine is on, and it turns your sauce into a smooth, clean sauce. We let that run for a little while. Let's see what we've got. Look at that.
Sounds like it'd be good, like just for a dip on some chips.
That's kind of the idea here.
Yeah.
Okay, that needs more salt. So I'm going to give it another teaspoon. And then we're also going to add a cup of Parmesan. And seems like a lot, but I bet it's going to be just delicious. So we'll get this worked in a little bit before we even turn the machine on, because we've got kind of an unwieldy pot of stuff here.
It's almost like we need to get a larger.
Well, I could make smaller quantities.
You could, yeah.
But this will freeze. This is something that can be around. It's just going to be delicious.
No, it looks too good to not just eat it.
Yeah, we could be dipping cucumbers in this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's the stuff right there.
Right on a puzzle.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's really good.
Yeah, it's delicious. Okay.
It's very interesting.
So there you have it. Green chili pesto. Green chili cilantro pesto, I guess. It's really good.
That's good.
Thanks for watching Two Cooks in the Kitchen, and we'll see you next time.